Oh, this is Miles. Today we're showing him around London because he's never been sightseeing before. Do you have something to say for the camera?
He's right, I've never been sightseeing before. I mean,
Miles, tell me what you were just talking about.
what about the French people?
He hates the French.
No. Oh, we're going for lunch. That is all our views, not just mine. We're going to this place called Lyon. It's some sort of fancy fast food thing. Never been there in my life, but gonna see how it is. Hopefully it's pretty good. What if we're not in school?
What are we getting?
Burger. You should get the vegan love burger.
Alright, these are the meals we've gotten from, what is it called? Lyon. He's got the grilled halloumi wrap, because he's a bit of a veggie, a bit boring. I've got, we would make big fries. I got instead the chicken nuggets. I know it's a bit basic, but it's cheap, innit? Got fries again, and some rice with mushrooms. Magic mushrooms, gonna make them go crazy. Yeah, so that's the meal we're gonna have. We're gonna have this, and then we're gonna go sightsee, basically. It's gonna be really fun. We're tourists in our own country. So this is the Bank of England. We are going to rob this place for all of its valuables.
Are you enjoying the museum?
We stole all the money. I'm enjoying the museum very much. Oh, it's making really heavy.
Yeah, it's 13.5 kilos.
That's pretty heavy. Do I need hand sanitizer? There we are.
That's sick.
We were right, he just didn't open it.
Oh, we get a prize. Yeah, this is mine. Take it.
Hey guys, just went to the Bank of England. It was lit, you know.
What's your take, Miles? What's your take?
I thought it was a fun experience. It was fun to learn about the history of the Bank of England, you know, how we managed some money, and all the other cool stuff. We got to lift up a real gold bar. It was in obviously a box, so we couldn't steal it. Gold bars are fucking heavy, that's for sure. And now we finished with that. We also cracked a. It's a safe. We got a little token. It was the postcard thing with the pictures of the vaults. So yeah, now we're just out here in Red Needle Street. Very nice. Got a statue of Wellington himself and some other old Romanesque type buildings. Yeah, so it's just a pretty good time all around. Is that London Bridge? Is it falling down? Is it falling down?
I hope not.
What the? What is? Oh, is this the monument I was meant to see? Okay. I don't know what it's for. What's it for?
The monument is for the Great Fire of London.
Oh.
So, if you lay the monument on its side, then it will be at the exact point where the Great Fire of London started.
Oh wow. So like that way or?
It's that way.
Hello guys, we're in Waitrose buying water and a baked good. It's absolutely insane. Yeah, I'm like, where is the ice cream? I don't know.
This is cheaper than the...
Why is that cheaper? Bro, why would I carry a massive bottle around? Why is this cheaper? Why is this cheaper? This is so cheap. Oh my god, I don't know why. I was just standing at a cross. Right, let's just move.
So we might
Great content, lads. Oh my god, it's the Shard, guys. Tallest building in Europe currently. You know, I've been over there twice in my lifetime. Actually, it's quite nice.
Have you been to Shard twice? You've never been to St. Paul's?
Because I had priorities, child. It is what it is. I do like modern architecture. I just think the older architecture is way cooler. I'm just thinking this would be such a good place for a date. Right by the Thames. I've been on a single day in my life. It went alright. Nothing crazy, but it went pretty good.
I've been on 3, so I'm just bad at you.
Well, sure, buddy. This is not my first time ever being in London. Jesus Christ. I've been in London many, many times. Anyway, we're under the bridge now. Pretty, a bit scary. What if it just all fell? Oh, there is. No. Well, it seems like Thomas Doggett is going to win. Wait, is that helicopter landing right now? But that does look like a helipad. Surely not. I think that's just flying over. Yeah, that's just flying over.
Oh, it's a container crane.
Oh, so this is Queen Hither, whatever that is. Oh, Queen Hythe, sorry, man. It was a thriving Saxon medieval dock. It's the only inn surviving along the city waterfront. Okay. In AD 86, the Roman city was reoccupied with King Alfred the Great, city walls, bunch of other texts. It's just a pretty good place. It's just pretty cool. And there's also a tapestry that is mosaic. He's going to show me something. Oh. Damn. That's actually beautiful. That is actually beautiful, man. 3, I know about this. World War II, World War I, 3 bombs all blown up right around it, but this was never hit. It's a beautiful building.
Yeah, it is. You should drink it. Should I? Yeah, you're gonna get that. What was it? Brain amoeba.
So this is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life, and I've seen some pretty good things. I've seen glaciers in Switzerland, and that's about it. But this is very much up there. Like, look at the pillars, man. Look at the design on the tops, and then all the intricacies. And it's just big as fuck. It's pretty big. This is so cool, man.
Okay.
Right, we've just gone from St. Paul's Cathedral, and now we're going to our final destination. Okay, first Millennium Bridge, and across that because I've never been on it in my life before, and then we're gonna go and see the Tate, not Andrew Tate, but the other Tate building thing. Anyway, we're gonna be doing that, and then we'll get back to you at some point. You can stop recording now. We can stop. You can.
On the Millennium Bridge, walking along, let's say the water over there is sparkling. I know. But when it first opened up, it wasn't falling apart, but it was wobbling a lot when people walked on it. Reason being, that's a bit like that. It's a really cool bridge. It's really fun to actually strip your feet across the floor. You get a nice feeling from your feet. Like the way this looks is actually amazing. I've had this music in a video outro.
Right. Okay. So heading home now. Very nice day today. We went to quite a few places. We went to where did we go again? Went to the bank. Then we went to the monument for the Fire of London. That was pretty cool. Then we finally went to St. Paul's Cathedral, which was the best part because that building looked absolutely delectable. So then we went across Millennium Bridge. Now getting the Thames link back and go home. That was our day. It was a pretty good day. Anyway, we're getting this train, so obviously we're gonna cut the cameras and say goodbye. See ya. And also, good thing Jolly was here. He was good fun.